Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, before I start these two videos that I'm uploading for you guys, and they are from two separate places, one from Stoke and the other from Manchester. Now, I couldn't get into these places, but I filmed around them. But I will make some more content for you guys at home, I promise. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get on with it. Hey guys, I'm just right at this place right here, and it's an abandoned school, and let's have a look around. Right, these are the doors that I come out of. See what's in this bit here. Sorry about the quality, guys. Right guys, sorry about this. Camera's malfunctioning. Camera's malfunctioning.
Why?
Don't know, it was recording. Next minute it stopped.
Oh.
So I'm just saying.
Nothing round there, let me know.
Nothing round. We'll still have a look. Yeah guys. We're gonna find a way in, guys, so that we can get inside them. Don't bother.
Hey guys, show you around here. Hey guys, look, you see all flat windows and thing where it's old school.
Right, we're going to try and get in. If we can't get in, I'm sorry for this be short.
Can you get in? Right.
Looks like some stuff in there from the school, guys. School pictures and that in there, like the yearbook. Like the yearbook there, guys. As you can see. Right, we're going to try and get in, guys, see if there is any other way in this way. If not, doesn't look like there's a way in here, guys, so. Right, guys, I'm sorry to cut this short. There's no way in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash and like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and like my Facebook page, and thanks for watching. What's What's up guys, and I'm here at the disused railway, and at the moment I've looked around and there's no way in, so before I even started, so let's get it on. Before we start, there's some parts there, right there. Keep going. Let's keep on going, guys. As I can clearly see, it might be demolished here. So there's no way in. As for there's a few things here, that some building stuff there. Let's keep going. Don't want to film people's cars here, do I? Quite a few cars down here and I ain't capturing cars. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Some old shutters, probably in use to something else now, guys. Don't think this is part of the disused railway, but we'll soon see if we can get in. Some other old doors, some fire doors right here, guys. Some cameras that might be in use. Here's some like doors that might be to do with it. Mayfield storage distribution plated. Not sure if I said that right, guys. More abandoned stuff there. Like I said, I'm not sure if I can get into this building, so here's some stuff that I can see at the moment, guys. What I can say. Right. We've got some more abandoned down here, guys, that we're going to get done. We haven't got too much time down here. we gotta get back by transport. Some more stuff here to do with it, guys. Some like places like storage stuff down here as well. Here's part of the disused railway place here. I'm not sure if you guys can see at home. Right there. Let's go around a bit more for you guys. Like I said, storage units that are abandoned. I'm not sure if they are storage units. Please comment down below, guys, because I don't know what they are. Probably upload this video up on either Wednesday or probably Friday, depending, or I could upload it dead early for you guys. Here's some more stuff to get to do with the abandoned disused railway. Let's get to the front. Don't know what this place was, probably to do with hub. Starnes Gate. Starnes, as you heard from the girlfriend there. Looks like it might have an underground to that as well. And here's part of the front. Wayfield Station. some door here, guys. By the looks of it now, guys, it's probably turned into some sort of nightclub here. Like nightlife here now. Probably some nightlife here. Right guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I didn't get into this place here, but I've got some other locations to go to today, and you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells, and check out me on Instagram or TikTok. As much as anything, follow me on TikTok more because I'm not on Instagram. And see you all again soon, the Demon Dog Army.